Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can remove unwanted object from our video with Capcut application. Alright guys, here I have created a project in my Capcut application, and for example, I'm going to remove this object from my video. So first of all, if we want to remove unwanted object, we have to duplicate our clip. Click on the clip and we need to scroll all the way to the right until we find the duplicate option. Okay, and now the clip has been duplicated and we can overlay the clip. Click on overlay and drag at the clip like this to make it align with the first clip, and after that we can use the mask to cover the unwanted object. So you need to find the mask option, this one, and select the shape of the mask, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and we can adjust the position of the mask and also the size of the mask. We can take another part of this video to cover the unwanted object, and for instance I'm just going to take this part. Oops, sorry. And after we're done adjusting the mask, we can click on the check mark and we need to drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and I think now it's done, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video with CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.